Hi, welcome to Master CADX YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss Autodesk Inventor software. Before I'm starting this software over here, so how to install this software in Autodesk site, which is Autodesk free software. So in the first link, you can see that over here, http://www.autodesk.com educational free softwares. Click in this link. Autodesk software they can provide students, educator and educational institute. Autodesk also they produce a different software like Inventor Professional for the 3D modeling, Revit, AutoCAD, 3D Max like this area. Now how to install this softwares? The Inventor Professional, you can see that if you drag this one and click in Inventor Professional, so they're asking that you have to, if you have that account, then directly go to the sign in. If you doesn't have the account, create the new account. But before you have to create the account, first see that what are the system requirement. Means if you are using the desktop, see that what type of processor are you using, how much your RAM are there, what is the memory. So whatever the suitable your desktop or laptop, you can download the other version of this software over here. So let's check out that what are the how to check it is system record. Just click this system requirement. Okay, it will open the new tab. You can see that a different type of system requirement. Now currently they are launching Autodesk Inventor 2019. Okay, if you click this 2019, there is a operating system is the recommended for it is a 64 bit for Windows 7 for updated. Okay, CPU they are recommended 3 gigahertz and minimum is 2.5 gigahertz. The memory is required minimum is 8 GB for 500 parts assembly. If you have more than, then you can get 20 GB RAM for you. So disk is required, it is 40 GB for installation purpose, and the graphics card you can see that 40 GB GPU, minimum is 1 GB GPU. Display resolution you can see that over here minimum 1280 into 1024 and recommended is 3240 into 2160 for higher resolution. You can, so if you go for any other, you can check out regarding this here. It require .NET framework, virtualizations. Okay, so this is the for that minimum requirement of any softwares. So let's go back that to sign in, how to sign in your account. So if you doesn't have that your account, then go to the in a create account. In create account, they are asking that what is your current country or territory or region. If you have that Afghanistan, India or whatever, click that one. Okay, now they are asking that educational role. If you have that educational role, student, educator, school IT administrator, design. If a student, then click that is a student. If you're the educator, then click the educator. Now they are asking that what is the date of birth of your. So if you go for the next, then they are asking that your first name. So I will write it the first name over here. The email address, recommended that the email address should be used regularly so that they can send you a license copy in your registered email address. Now a password, you can see that at least one letter, 2 characters, 4 characters, 8 characters, 16 characters. So this is the password. Now, if you go for any other, you can check out regarding this here. It require .NET framework, virtualizations. Okay, so if you go for any other, you can check out regarding this here. It require .NET framework, virtualizations. Okay, so this is the password. one number, minimum 8 character, at least 3 unique character. Unique character means either at, dollar, percentage, star, like this. So as soon as you create the account, verification in your registered mail ID. So open the registered mail ID. Now see that Autodesk are sent it is a verification. Click on that in a verification, verify over here and verify your email. So email is verified and go to the click in done. Now it is will be email will be verified. So now here you can type your institute name, which is institute if you are that money, and what are the interest of area and product design. Okay, enroll form means in your institute when you join that institute. Okay, after that we continue. Now once his account is created, just in the softwares, now they are asking that download now. Click in that download now version, that is Inventor Professional 2016, 17, 18, 19, depending upon your system requirement. So I will click that 2016. Operating system is 64-bit and the language is English. So once it is, this is the serial number, you have to note down over that, it is very important. Product key and file size. Okay, it is required speed for internet to download your this software over here. So now here they given that authorized uses install on up to 2 personal devices. Okay, now read carefully this whatever that is a license or other. Okay, and install now. Once it is installed, you have to press click over here. Okay, there is a license and service agreements. Okay, I accept and install. Okay, so automatically we started to installing this software. So once it's installed, I click this software now, run this file. To download the download manager. It is not a software, it is a download manager. Now you can see that after that 100% Autodesk Inventor 2016 now start for it is a installations. So it required depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, you have to remember that the serial code and serial key. So Autodesk Inventor will be sent the serial key. So once his installation is completed, they are asking that it is a serial key and a product key and serial number. In that Autodesk software in a website, you can see the serial number and product key you have to note down over here. And for that it is a key, you have to go back in your mail, and in a mail you can see that one note. There is an important the email containing the license information has been sent to you. If you do not see the email in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder. So I'll I didn't get that is a license file, so I will check that in the spam over here. Okay, now here you are getting it is a license details. Okay, so this is my license details. The term is 3 years. I can use for this softwares. So now we'll go back for that is a software. After installation, you can see that this is a logo of Autodesk Inventor Professional. Okay, so currently I'm using 2013 software over here. So 2013 is now not available in this website. It is 2016 updated version, and new version is 2019. So if I double click this one, so it will open the software. Wait for a few minutes. The software will be open. Now there is a common toolbar. You can see that new, open, a project. Okay, so I'll go for the new. You can see that the what type of your project are doing. Or if you go for part file, okay, that is sheet metal, or in case standard, either in inches or in mm. If you go for assembly, means number of parts will join in a single, then it's called assembly. Either if you go for din or weldment, okay. Or if you want to go for AutoCAD drawings 2D, or if you want to drafting, or if you go for a presentation, then it is a standard DIN and IBM. So before that, we'll go for that extension. What is the meaning of the extension? There is a very important of the extension over here. If you can see that it is .ipt, it means inventor part file. Means whatever your part file are going to save, it will be under that inventor part file, means .ipt. If you go for that assembly, you can see that .iam. It indicates that it is inventor assembly file. Similarly, DWG means it is a completely is a 2D. It is a .dwg. If you go for that, it is a sheet metal or standard, or it is assembly. These all are the 3D, but this section is completely it is a 2D sections, means a drafting. Okay, inventor drafting over here. Next, the presentation means if you want to see that a part file in a presentation view. Okay, if there is a customer, you have to present the your project, then it is a we can go for in presentation, that is .ipn, means inventor presentation. I will open that a file, a part file. Let's see that what are the commands are there in a part file. Open this software, you can see the different toolbar, that is 3D model, inspect, to manage, view, like this over here. So whatever you can see that is a toolbar, I'm going to give the tutorials in a next video one by one, so you can easily understand that the each tool, so that where I can use, where you can use this tools over here. Okay, so before you have to start any project, you have to check what is your unit. So to change the unit, go to the document settings, units. If your project is millimeter, then millimeter. If you're the inch, then keep it in inch, or foot, or meter, or micron. Okay, similarly, time, either seconds or minute, angle, either degree or radian, kilogram, or what you have to see the in precisions. Okay, whether it is a decimal, okay, then the decimal points either 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is you can see in a unit. So, and similarly in also in a angular also. If for example, if your unit is 30.23 degree, then you have to keep it over here. Or if you want to keep 30.2, then in this unit area. Okay, next video I'm going to teach, so what are the model, starting from the 3D model, how to draw the sketch, how to create the 3D models, and how to make it the project. Keep in watch. Thank you so much.